Absolutely. Here's a YouTube video script tailored to your title, How to Make $5,000 a Month with Only $25 a Week, complete with a strong hook. Simple language, engaging storytelling, and a clear value-driven structure to keep your audience hooked till the end. What if I told you that with just $25 a week, you could build a system that earns you $5,000 every single month? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. And I'm about to show you exactly how it's done step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or just looking for a smart way to grow your income, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down how to use just $25 a week, yes, the price of one Uber Eats order, to eventually make $5,000 per month. And no, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Let's dive in. First, let's get one thing straight: you don't need to be rich to get rich. What you do need is consistency, patience, and a solid plan. $25 a week doesn't sound like much, but when used wisely, it can turn into something huge. The trick is to treat that $25 as an investment, not an expense. Use that $25 a week to build your first income stream. Here's how. Buy a domain and hosting. $25 is plenty for this through platforms like Namecheap and Hostair. Start a blog or niche website around something you're passionate about: fitness, tech, finance, cooking, you name it. Use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Trends to write helpful content that people search for. Promote it through Pinterest or Reddit. Both are free and powerful for traffic. PHASE 2. Monetize smart. Weeks 9 to 16. Now that traffic is growing, start making money. Sign up for affiliate programs: Amazon, ShareSale, ClickBank. Add 2 to 3 affiliate links to each blog post or YouTube description. Add Google AdSense or Mediavine once you hit traffic thresholds. Even 10 to 20 clicks a day on affiliate links can start making you $100, $200 a month. Phase 3. Scale with digital products or services. Months 4 to 6. Once you hit $500, $1,000 a month, reinvest part of that to scale. Create a $10 ebook or mini course. Use Gumroad or Teachable cheap or free. Grow an email list with ConvertKit or MailChimp. Both have free plans. Now your income grows passively. With a good product and email funnel, $5,000 a month becomes not just possible, but repeatable. Here are the exact tools I recommend. Many are free or very cheap. Website, Hostinger plus WordPress SEO. Ubersug is free plus Google Trends design. Canva affiliate networks. Amazon, Impact, ShareSale. Email marketing. MailChimp free up to 500 contacts. Product hosting. Gumroad. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to be consistent. Look, this won't happen overnight. But imagine starting with just $25 a week and 6 months later, earning thousands every month from content you created once. That's freedom. That's smart work over hard work. And that's how you build wealth in 2025.